Yellow dock root benefits. Yellow dock root is a bitter-tasting yet very powerful herb. It is widely regarded as a blood purifier, a digestive stimulant, and a detoxifying herb. It plays a role in cleansing the blood, supporting the liver, and improving iron assimilation. Research and claims globally highlights its laxative and digestive aid. It has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Yellow dock root is an alkaline herb, and can be used for cleansing and has mineral-rich properties. It has blood-purifying properties. It helps cleanse the body and lymphatic system of toxins. It works as a liver detoxifier and supports liver function, bile flow, and aids digestion and detoxification. Yellow dock improves iron assimilation, not because it is high in iron, but because it helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. It is also a skin healer. It can be used for rashes, eczema, psoriasis, and other inflammatory skin issues. Some use it as a mild laxative. It helps relieve constipation and cleanse the colon. Yellow dock is a general detoxifier and is used in cleansing formulas. It is recommended using it as a tea for digestion and detoxification, as a tincture for long-term cleansing, as a poultice for skin issues. Yellow dock contains phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and tannins that reduce inflammation. Animal studies show reduced inflammatory markers and improved wound healing. Yellow dock has a strong antioxidant effects that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Extracts of yellow dock root have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic activity, especially against roundworms. Yellow dock contains anthraquinones, similar to senna, which stimulate bowel movement. So it has mild laxative effects, improved bile flow, provides relief from indigestion, gas, and bloating. Traditional and modern herbalists use yellow dock for psoriasis, eczema, acne, chronic skin eruptions. Research shows yellow dock contains modest iron, but it may enhance iron absorption by improving digestion and bile flow. Yellow dock also aids blood sugar regulation, with lab studies show potential for stabilizing glucose release. Yellow dock is traditionally used as a hepatoprotective herb, supporting liver detoxification and bile production. So in summary, it aids blood purification, detoxification and antioxidant effects. It assists liver detox, bile stimulation, iron support, improves absorption, skin healing, anti-cancer properties, anti-inflammatory plus antimicrobial. It is a laxative aid, provides immune support, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Caution: avoid raw or undercooked yellow dock root as it can cause nausea and vomiting. It does contain oxalic acid, which may irritate the kidneys, so use sparingly. Overuse may cause diarrhea or electrolyte imbalance, so take in moderation. It is not recommended for people with kidney disease, liver disease, or calcium-related disorders. If you are breastfeeding or pregnant, always consult your doctor or a medical professional and take yellow dock root in moderation. Thank you for watching.